What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna replace a leaking strut, and I'm gonna show you guys how I learned how to fix cars. Let's get into it. So I put my Range Rover in off-road mode, and you can see the driver's side is pretty much all the way up. And I waited for like 30 minutes, and the passenger side has sucking down by a lot, and it can barely fit my fist through it. So I've confirmed that I have a leaking air strut on that side. So let's look up how to do it. So when fixing your own car, it's all about doing proper research, right tools, and having lots of patience. I mean, some of these cars can be a pain in the ass. All right, so I removed the VDS connector out, and then what's next is that lower bolt, which is a pretty long bolt. So I used a 1/2 inch impact. Got to squeeze it on out of there with the hammer in my hand. See here, long bolt. It's pretty easy to get out. And then the most difficult part was removing these 3 mounting nuts. As you can see, I'm really struggling to take the front 2 mounting nuts. However, there is a third one, which is way in the back, which the video didn't mention. And way to get that out is go to the top of the engine and to your left between the block and the frame. You can see it right there, that mounting nut right there. So you need like a really long extension and a 15mm socket. And I do recommend getting an impact because again, it's like cranked in there, makes it a lot easy. And here it is, my 15mm socket and my really long extension. So all I need now is just put it in my impact gun and then screw it. Oh shit. Another problem dealing with cars is rust, as rust can pretty much make it a lot harder to remove parts as they get stuck, and doesn't make it easier to remove. So I had to use like a long ass screwdriver and make sure I don't bust my knuckles taking the air strut out. And the last thing left is removing the airline. Fucking finally! This is the old one compared to the new one. This cost me like 120 bucks, so pretty cheap. I got it from eBay, so I'll let you know how it goes. Pretty much look exact same. So installation of the new one is the same as reversal of the old one. So make sure you guys install the airline hose, and it does come with a new airline nut and flare. So make sure you guys install the new ones in. Don't forget the third mounting nut, which you need the extension and the impact gun, and your VDS connector if you have one. And we are done, guys. So yeah, I gotta put my tire on. Let's start her up and let's air up the suspension. After 1 week, the eBay strut is going really strong. That's pretty much it, guys, on how to fix any car. All you need to do is do your research and have the right tools. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe for more, because these engines, there'll be more videos about these engines and Range Rovers in general, because they do share engines with the newer Range Rovers, such as the 2014 through the 2023. So stay tuned for that. And obviously some new projects coming up, like this black Range Rover over here. And I need to work on the SL and get the Dodge Neon SRT4 running. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.